Students, welcome to NARS Education Channel. Today, let us have a discussion on comprehension check, part of the lesson, the tsunami. First comprehension check, say whether the following are true or false. First statement, Ignatius lost his wife, two children, his father-in-law and his brother-in-law in the tsunami. It is true. Second one, Sanjeev made it to safety after the tsunami. It is false because Sanjeev tried to save the life of wife of John, guest house cook. Third one, Meghna was saved by a relief helicopter. False because 11 times she saw the relief helicopters, but they did not see her. Next one, Alma's father realized that a tsunami was going to hit the island. True. By seeing the receding seawater, he understood that it would come forcefully forward. Fifth one, her mother and aunt were washed away with the tree that they were holding on to. It is true. Next comprehension check, page number 28. Answer the following in a phrase or a sentence. First question, why did Tilly's family come to England? Tilly's family came to England in order to celebrate Christmas. What were the warning signs that both Tilly and her mother saw? Both Tilly and her mother saw the sea slowly rise and start to foam, bubble and form whirlpools. Do you think Tilly's mother was alarmed by them? Whether Tilly's mother, alarmed means warned by them. No, Tilly's mother did not understand what was going on there. But by seeing the frightened condition of her daughter, Tilly Smith, she understood that something danger was about to occur. By the warning signs, she did not alarm. But by seeing the condition of her daughter, by seeing the frightened condition of her daughter, she understood something danger was about to occur. Next one, where had Tilly seen the sea behaving in the same strange fashion? Yes, Tilly had seen sea behaving in the same strange fashion in a video which was shown in her geography class, and that video was about tsunami that had hit the Hawaiian island in the year 1946. Where did the Tilly Smith family and the others on the beach go to escape from the tsunami? Yes, Tilly Smith and her family took refuge in a third floor of the hotel. The building withstood the surge of 3 tsunami waves. How do you think her geography teacher felt when he heard about what Tilly had done in Phuket? Yes, probably geography teacher felt very proud because what he taught, by using that knowledge, his student was able to save the lives of many people. By that, he became very proud and happy, and probably he felt satisfied also for his teaching, because it saved the life of many people. Comprehension check. Third, Page number 30. In the tsunami, 1,50,000 people died. How many animals died? Yes, in the tsunami, 1,50,000 people died, but not many people, many animals found dead. Next, how many people and animals died in Yala National Park? In Yala National Park, 60 visitors were washed away by the waves of tsunami, but no animal carcasses were found except for two water buffaloes. Only two water buffaloes carcasses were found. What do people say about the elephants of Yala National Park? Yes, people at Yala National Park had observed 3 elephants running away from the Pattanangal beach before an hour before tsunami hit. They understood the upcoming danger and they ran away to the safety place before 1 hour tsunami hit. 1 hour before tsunami hit. Yes. What did the dogs in Galle do? Yes, in Galle, the dogs every day they used to go to the beach to have their daily run on the beach. But that day they refused to go out of the house. By that they saved their lives also, as well as they saved the life of the owner. Now let us see the working with the text part. It is also there in the page number 30 itself. Discuss the following questions in class, then write your own answers. First one, when he felt the earthquake, do you think Ignatius immediately worried about a tsunami? Give reason for your answer. Which sentence in the text tell you that Ignatius' family did not have any time to discuss and plan their course of action for the tsunami struck? Yes, when the tsunami hit Ignatius, he did not worry about tsunami. Immediately he did not worry about tsunami, because we can see when he came to know the tremors of the earth, the shaking of the earth, instead of running away from that place, he took the television set and he kept it on the ground so that it should not fall and it should not break. He did not know anything about tsunami. He was just thinking there was a normal earthquake. That's why he did not make any hurry to escape from that place. And there was no time to make any plan or to discuss for his family during that time. We can see with the help of this sentence we can understand that there was no time for them. See that. Yeah, page number 25. In the chaos and confusion, 2 of his children caught hold of the hands of their mother's father and mother's brother and rushed in the opposite direction. It shows the chaos and confusion word. Shows there was no time left for them to discuss or to make any plan in order to save their lives. Next one, which words in the list below describe Sanjeev in your opinion? They have given some words here. See here, cheerful, ambitious, brash, brave, careless, heroic, selfless, heartless, humorous. Here brash means rash. Okay. Now you see here, use the words from the list to complete the 3 sentences below. Okay. I don't know if Sanjeev was cheerful, after that ambitious or humorous. You have to use two words here, ambitious and humorous. Next one, I think that he was very brave. After that, heroic and selfless. Okay, heroic, selfless. Next, Sanjeev was not heartless, brass or careless. Brass and careless. How are Meghna and Alma's stories similar? Yes, Meghna's and Alma's stories both are very similar because both of them have lost their family and both of them float on the sea water for some days. First we can see Meghna. She hold on the wooden door and she was floating on the water for 2 days. Okay, she was floating on the water for 2 days and she saw relief helicopter 11 times but they did not see her. And after that we can see Alma's Javed's story also, it is similar. She lost her parents and after that she was able to hold a wooden log and she also float on the water for long time and after that she reached a beach and both girls, Alma's Javed and Meghna, both of them were traumatized after the event. See that. Meghna was found walking on the seashore in a daze. And she, Alma's Javed, she was not ready to talk about the event with anybody because she was traumatized. Both of them were traumatized. Traumatized means greatly shocked and distressed. Next one. What are the two different ways in which Tilly's parents could have reacted to her behavior? What would you have done if you were in their place? Yes, for Tilly's parents there were two choices. In the two ways they could have reacted to her behavior. One thing, they could have neglected her by saying that you have become, you are horrified, okay, you are behaving in a strange manner. By telling like that, they would have neglected her. And they could have not given any importance to her words. This was one way of reaction. Another way, they would listen the words of her and they would understand the situation and they would give their reply according to that. Here we can see Tilly's parents. They have chosen second only. They gave importance to her words. They understood the danger. They understood that something danger was about to occur. In that way, they saved their lives. And what would you have done if you were in their place? This is left to your choice. Anyone you can choose there. You could have given importance to the words of Tilly Smith, or you could have neglected that. Based on your point of view, you have to write answer for that. Maximum you have to write positive answer there. So you would have given importance to her words. If Tilly's award was to be shared, who do you think she should share it with? Her parents or her geography teacher? Yes, if Tilly's award was to be shared, I think it should be shared with her geography teacher. Because of geography teacher, only she came to know about tsunami. He had shown that video. With the help of that video only, she came to know about tsunami. and that knowledge only helped her to save the lives of her family members as well as some other people. So it should be shared with her geography teacher. What were the two different ideas about why so few animals were killed in the tsunami? Which idea do you find more believable? See here, already I have told you there are two different opinions about the few animals died in tsunami. Why so few animals died in tsunami? Many people believe that animals possess sixth sense. And now when the earth is going to shake. And some experts believe that animals' more acute hearing helps them to hear or feel the earth vibration. Here I think the second opinion is more believable and more scientific one, because about the sixth sense we don't have any scientific evidence. But this acute hearing, strong hearing ability might have helped those animals to understand the situation. Okay, let us stop here. We shall go for the another topic in the next session.